Honorable Chief Minister Shri Modi ji, dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests and friends. Good morning. First of all, I would like to congratulate Honorable CM for his re-election in the fourth term, and my sincere congratulations and appreciation on behalf of my organization to you, sir. And I would also like to express my gratitude to the organizers for inviting me to share my thoughts on education in presence of such an eminent audience. I feel truly humbled. We at Welspun have long ties with the state of Gujarat, and to be associated with the state always fills us with the pride. The story of Gujarat is the story of vision, a story of courage, conviction, hope and toiling hand. And it clearly demonstrates that we can change the society for better today and brilliant tomorrow with visionary leadership. The outstanding growth, growing hubs of industrialization, smart urban planning, power for all, largest implementer of clean energy, all of that has been either implemented here and more will be implemented here. So this state is an inspiration. I can tell this as a youth. I can tell it as a businessman who is working in the state and have a large stake in the state. And it always fills me with the hope that development is possible, not just for the top strata of society, but for all the strata of society. And yes, I truly mean for ordinary people can live empowered life in the state of Gujarat. And the underlying credit for this should be given to the state leadership and vision, but also to the state's vision of creating state-of-art infrastructure. When I visited PDPU first time 2 months back on invitation of Energy Secretary, I was blown away. I was so impressed, and I told him I want to partner with you because I have not seen this kind of infrastructure anywhere else. And I've studied at Harvard, I've went to business school, and I've studied in Canada, but somehow we actually undersell our own achievements. And this kind of infrastructure exists here, even I didn't know. So when I crossed the legal institute and then I walked into this, I said, is this real India? Is this something we have already done and achieved? And it actually makes me feel proud. It actually, and I told Mr. Pandian that we had partnered with MIT for research, and we had partnered with some of the global institutes for knowledge sharing, and I would like to partner with the PDPU in the state of Gujarat in the area of energy security, in the area of clean technology, and in fact we are setting up a lab here for various technologies in solar, and we'll be signing an MOU for that behalf. So it's a great achievement, I would say. And another thing which I would like to share, that one most innovative thing I saw during last 3 months was that how education can be provided to all. Start by our own leaders from Gujarat and by our Chief Minister, Mr. Modi. He demonstrated that by using the latest technology and 3D, you could be present anywhere. So now the lesson we have learned that if you want to impart education to all, and you want to impart education to the rural folks, we can all learn from our CM that the technology would be that enabler. He was present at one location, and people can experience his presence in several geographies by using the technology. So I think this technology, if we can use it in education, it will not just transform the Gujarat, but it would be able to transform our country, because the biggest stumbling block for equality and inclusive growth is lack of education to almost half the country. And if we can provide PDPU and the best faculties from here in every district and every village, using the latest technology, internet and 3D, I think the days would not be far where India as a country can regain the glory where people used to come to our institutes in Nalanda and Takshila for education, and it used to be dream for the world, people from the world, that we want to go to the India to learn, evolve, and not just learn about the education but spiritually grow also. And I think Sri Modi has demonstrated us that path during the last election, and it's for industry and leaders here to pick up his ideas and replicate it across the country. Distinguished guest, Honorable Chief Minister, all the dignitaries here, I'm sure your efforts of setting the tone for vibrant Gujarat will be very successful, and vision of fulfilling the dreams of people of the state of Gujarat will become reality. I'm a big fan of state of Gujarat, and also a fan of state of Gujarat's leadership, under which Gujarat has become the role model of not just for the India but for the rest of the world. And it has become actually in the business arena, I would say it has become the Kohinoor. Mr. Modi has been able to transform Gujarat as the Kohinoor for the business community, and I believe, sir, that with your personal following of Swami Vivekanand, you will be able to make Gujarat Kohinoor of education for the world, not just for India. Thank you so much. Wish you guys all the best.